Nick here, RevAccess Customs. Just a quick overview of the Reliant Robin drift build. Up the front here we've got a HSP hub and axle, back to a mixing arm here. Back here we've got a Hobby King servo. The link for the servo will be in the description if you want to have a look at them. We've got Tiki shock up front, just a single shock. We may look at running dual in the future just to make it a little bit harder at the front. We've got a Hobby Wing 60 amp ESC, it's just what was laying around so we chucked it in. A Trackstar Gyro from Hobby King once again, and for our motor we've got a 7.5 turn Hobby King, which is a little bit overkill, but once again this is just what we had laying around. If we have a look underneath at the back end, we have a Gyro Diff from RC 4-wheel drive, just once again another part laying around so we chucked it in. I think it's a Turnigy or Hobby King LiPo that we had as well. We've got a custom 4-bar suspension that we've designed up and printed. Nice flex here, easy motion. Panhard in the back. The diff's locked of course because it's a crawler diff. And up the front we actually have a motor that we've printed which houses all the motor, just sort of keeps it tidy looking. We run the same thing on our hot rods as well. We may look at changing it up a bit because of course a Reliant Robin doesn't normally run a V8, but we just put in whatever because it looks cool and it's a design we already had. So yeah, here's about 5-6 minutes worth of drifting footage for you guys to watch. Hope you enjoy. We've got a lot more development yet to do on this. We're going to upgrade the front rims to an alloy rim to add a little bit more weight up the front, because as you can see in the video we ran a few weights up on the upper arm and lower arm just to get a little more bite in the front head. We did have a little bit understeer, but we dialed a lot of that out with just increasing the drag brake, which sort of helped act as a handbrake to slide it into the quarters. But I mean, for a new product it's come out pretty well. We're not MSD or any big major company building things. It's just something we do for fun. Big thanks to RC Mart and also DS Racing, who have supplied the tyres. RC Mart supplied a lot of shocks, pinions, and just little bits and pieces that have helped us. It all adds up in the end. So hope you enjoy the video. Cheers.